So the new project, 97 Del Sol SI. Already placed the bumper. Old bumper, as you see here, was destroyed in a brawl, covered the damage. Just gotta fix little stuff now on this bumper. Really target top. Interior's in really good shape. No rips. Even for the mileage. Gotta get that paint off though. Already fixed the radio door. It was broken when I got it, but I gotta replace the ashtray and center console, as the armrest and the ashtray are both broken. 244,000 miles. Fixed the trunk latch too. It was not working when I got it. Trunk is currently apart, so I just want to touch up the surface rust starting in the trunk. Just make sure it doesn't turn into actual rust. But realigned everything, so everything works. Yeah. New baby.